Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing a niche where people spend money and have clear problems you solve. Once chosen, build 3 cornerstone posts and a single lead magnet so you have immediate value to trade for emails. Make sure to install analytics and an email tool. This lets you test messaging and collect first-party data. Do these essentials now so you're not fiddling with design later. This moves you from idea to income-ready assets in days rather than months. Once you have assets and leads, focus on conversion and scalable traffic. You optimize headlines and CTAs to lift opt-ins and test a simple funnel for each audience segment so you know what converts. Then diversify traffic. Invest in one paid channel, double down on SEO fundamentals, and maintain one consistent social pillar. Track cost per acquisition. Simultaneously, use outreach templates to secure guest posts, affiliates, and podcasts. You now systemize and scale by batching content, using templates, and automating repetitive work so growth isn't tied only to your time. Expand revenue with membership tiers, evergreen courses, sponsorships, and a high-ticket offer to diversify income streams. Once systems are running, track unit economics and reinvest profitable channels. If things go wrong, growth stalls, or ROI drops, audit funnel conversion rates, traffic source health, and whether your content matches audience intent. Fix the weakest link and iterate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.